Are you looking to turbocharge your career and build a really high profit consultancy business? Then you cannot afford to miss this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of the most important functions that are performed by a consultant, and that is how to conduct a market research using AI. Market research is how your competitor finds out about how to launch their product, where to launch their product, what is the ideal cost, what are the pain points of the audience, and a lot of other such information. Now, consultants used to perform this market research using manual tools and laborious research, but this was taking a lot of time. However, thanks to AI, this process can now be automated and conducted within a matter of minutes. Here's one example. Imagine that a client comes to you and says, "Hey, I want to start a consulting service for non tech business owners that automates workflows and reduces hiring costs. It also reduces manual errors and dependency on human talent, and my target audience is in the United States." The first thing that I would do is I would visit this incredible website called Answer the People. Now, Answer the People is like a search engine where you can find out a lot of information about your business. This could be information about what are the pain points, what are the commonly asked questions, and what are the most commonly used keywords. So, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to enter some keywords related to your business. Here's a pro tip: make sure that the keyword does not last more than 3 words. I could say workflow automation, and I would set the location to United States because that is where my client wants to conduct this. And I would click on search. Now, it is going to give you a lot of questions. It is going to give you a lot of keywords as well. You can copy paste all these questions. And if you keep scrolling to the bottom, you will find the commonly asked keywords as well. So here are the keywords. So I would do this manually. I would copy paste this and I would maybe go to ChatGPT or any other AI software and compile these, right? So I would do this. But you see, there are going to be, this is arranged alphabetically and you're going to find a lot of such keywords. So do this and create an entire compilation. Now, this is just one search. Your next search can be around something related to this. So you can say maybe automation for small businesses, right? And then you click search. As you can see, I have found the key commonly asked questions. And if I scroll to the bottom, I'm going to find the keywords as well. So copy paste the questions as well as the keywords and add it to the compilation. Now you have to do this one more time. So what do you think the third search should be? So it could be something like one other feature related to automation. So you could go something like automation to cut costs, something that is really relevant to your client, right? And you again press on enter. So here are the keywords I can copy paste. And once you do this, you will have to compile a list of keywords. And the list of keywords will look something like this. So as you can see, there are a lot of keywords and commonly asked questions as well. Now, why is this important? Let me tell you. So till now, what you have done is that you have conducted a compilation of the keywords, right? Now, what I want you to do is that I want you to use this research base and identify recurring themes and craft messages and other things with the help of AI. So how I would do that is that I would go to ChatGPT again and I would compile the list of all these keywords and give this prompt. I am setting up a consultancy business. And then I would just copy paste the description of the business that was given by my client. So I'll just show that to you. I can just copy paste this. I could copy paste this and paste it here. Now, what I would, so for now, what I have done is I have told it that I want to start a consultancy business and I have described my business. Now I would say I am sharing a list of commonly asked questions, pain points, and commonly used keywords. Draft a complete and thorough market research for me, right? And I would also add a prompt saying, make it accurate. Now, here's what I would do. I would just copy paste all these keywords and commonly used questions, paste it here, and I would just let AI do its magic. There it is. It has already started generating the market report. And you can see that it has given me an executive summary. It has given me ideal client profiles. It has talked about the demographics that are ideal for me. It has talked about the market trends and insights. And all of this is based on accurate research that you just found out. I can use this entire market research report and I can take this report into another AI software, which is called Claude, and I could compile it into the form of a really, really appealing visual dashboard. So here's what I can do. I am presenting a market research report, create it into a visually appealing dashboard, which makes it easier to read and understand, right? Now I would just copy paste the content of the report and I would let AI do the magic. So here it is, guys. Like I promised you, it has created a really visually appealing dashboard, which makes it very easy to understand the report, right? All I did was upload the report that I got through ChatGPT, and as you can see here, it has given you a problem statement. It has identified the target market. It has identified the high intent group words, keywords, competitor landscape. All of this is a report that is just waiting for you to be submitted elsewhere, right? You can use this as in your group meetings. You can use this to create a landing page. You can use this for a bunch of functions, and you can even compile this into the form of a report and share it with your client. And he's going to be really impressed. So, if you want to learn more such skills and if you want to learn about how you can turbocharge your career even further and even faster using AI, then you need to attend our free 9-hour training session that starts on the 3rd of May. It's completely free and we are launching a bunch of new skills that have not been taught to you anywhere else. It's completely beginner friendly. You can start even if you have zero knowledge about AI. So, let's see you there.